Hello, dear traders, you are watching Economic Calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. At the beginning of the coming week, the following macroeconomic statistics will be released. On Monday, China's Statistics Bureau will reveal its GDP change data for the first quarter of 2017. Economists project a 1.6% growth on a quarterly basis. The annual increase is expected to be 6.8%. In the fourth quarter of 2016, China's gross domestic product advanced by 1.7% in line with expectations. In annual terms, the economy expanded by 6.8%, which is the highest result since the fourth quarter of 2015. Throughout 2016, China's GDP increased by 6.7%, which is the slowest growth rate since 1990. Experts at several Chinese state offices predict a weak economic advance on the back of decline in external demand, surge in deglobalization and protectionism, unclear political stance of the US, ongoing economic imbalances in China, as well as a possible decline in car and housing sales in the country. On Tuesday, the United States will report on its building permits for March. Building permits are expected to make up 1.255 million. In February, the number of issued building permits in the US dropped to 1.2 million from 1.29 million lodged this January. On a yearly basis, the indicator expanded by 2.5%. The housing market has been supported by a better situation in the US labor market, in particular by faster earnings growth rates. On Wednesday, the Eurozone will publish its preliminary inflation statistics for April. The prices are expected to have risen by 0.8% on a monthly basis and by 1.5% in comparison with the previous year. In March, the consumer prices in the region were 1.5% higher than in the preceding year. The inflation slowdown was sharper than economists had anticipated. Forecast has supported the reading of 1.8%. The slow inflation was linked to lower energy and food prices. The annual inflation in the euro area was rising this year until March, boosting decisiveness of the European Central Bank to continue with stimulus measures even despite growing dissent in Germany, largest economy in the bloc. In addition to these events, the following reports will see the light of day early next week. On Monday, China will unveil its industrial production data. On Tuesday, the Reserve Bank of Australia will deliver its latest meeting minutes. The United States will provide its industrial production statistics. On Wednesday, the US Beige Book will be revealed. You have watched Economic Calendar prepared for you by InstаФорекс TV channel. Good luck!